Okay, there we go. That's live finally. Hey, what's up? I'm just getting the stream started here, so give me a few minutes, okay? Right now, I'm getting everything set up for the stream. I'm sending out a tweet right now saying I'm going live, and I'll get on stream here in a quick second. So that's why I gotta go live first so I can tweet this out. Hey, Finn. I'm here. Hey, Mark. I'm just trying to tweet that I'm live out real quick, then I'll start the stream stuff. I really need like an intro splash screen. That'd help out. Dude, I need gloop, you're right. Okay, that's live, and let me kick off the print I want to do. Slice that up. Okay, print's going. Okay. So, getting set up still. Sorry about that, guys and gals. Just a second. Sorry about the delays, guys and gals. Like I said, a little disorganized this Saturday. Ooh, that is cool, Mark. Okay, so y'all might be wondering, what do I have going on here? What's all this? Well, I printed something to assemble on stream today. So, any guesses what it might be? And not printer poop like that piece? I'll take any guesses. Anyone? No guesses? Yeah, that's close, Mark. Okay. Just trying to get everything set up correctly. So, this is the skull that I ended up printing on stream the other day. Let me show you this real quick. So, all I did So I put a hole in the bottom of it, a little rough still, and it's got these LED lights that can change color, and it just sits right on top of it. And that is printer poop I don't want in my prints. You're pretty close. So I haven't even removed the supports on this stuff yet. Whoops, hitting the tripod. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do today. Yeah, it does look really cool. I'm really happy with it. Let's see where this appears on the camera. Do I need to go up more, down more? I'm trying to get the printer in frame at the same time, so. Okay. Okay. Let me go a little bit this way. Right now, I still have this. Needs some little supports on this stuff, so there we go. Comes right off. I removed one yesterday after I printed it just to make sure I could remove them. Yeah, and I think these work better the new LEDs I got too. Come on, get off there. You know, sometimes I'll print with the same support settings, same filament, but the geometry of the print makes all the difference sometimes, I think, when removing supports. Like, I can use the exact same support settings, exact same filament, but different geometry, and it's a nightmare to remove sometimes. Or maybe I just fail at removing supports. Could be either one. Pretty close. You are pretty close with that. So, I found this, I think somebody posted it to Printables or Maker World, but I think the original one was from Thingiverse. So, I think there's a remix on Printables, and the original file was from Printiverse. I mean, yeah, Thingiverse. Oh, do you? That's cool. Yeah, I seen it, and I'm like, oh, that looks really cool. And since it's in all these little parts, I thought I could assemble it on stream. Pretty quick print overall. Like, these pieces right here, I actually printed on the Mini right now. Or not right now, but last night. And I used the 0.6 nozzle I have in there right now, and I didn't have any issues with it at all. So, for a lot of these, like, larger parts, definitely could be using that 0.6 a lot more now. Or fine detail isn't, you know, as needed. Is music too loud? Can you hear me fine? Just wanted to make sure. So this first part's gonna be a little boring, just removing supports. But that's part of 3D printing. Yeah, I remove supports. So I was looking through some Halloween STLs on printables last night. I found this really cool one, which incorporates supports. I think it was called like radioactive zombie or skeleton or something like that. So it was like a 3D printed skull with hands, skeletal hands, and they used like the support as toxic waste it was crawling out of. It looked pretty cool. It was a very creative use of the supports. I know there's a few different models and designs out there I see that definitely take use of the organic tree supports as like part of the piece, which is pretty creative. Okay, all those are taken care of. So let me just round these up. Just set these off to the side. Okay, what's up next here? One of these days, I will have a second camera, just not at the moment. Be nice to have a split screen with one the printer, and maybe one with the overhead view right here. One day. Huh, I should have printed this the other way. How you doing there, Adam? I might just reprint this part. I did not line this the right way on the printer. It would have been a lot easier. So, I printed this piece like this, right? Looking at it now, I probably should have printed it like this. It would have made it a lot easier. Oh, thanks. I appreciate that. So, this does bring up a good point. When you are 3D printing, how you have your prints on your build plate, like arranged, makes a big difference in the final outcome. So if you see this one, this is actually the bottom or the top? Whoops. I think this is the bottom, but I missed a lot of detail because I didn't realize it. I printed this the wrong way, and if I would have printed this right here, this part, as the base, A, I wouldn't need all these supports, and B, I'd have a lot more detail on this part. But this is the bottom. For right now, I'm gonna see how well it cleans up, and if I don't have to reprint, I don't have to reprint, and if I do, I do. But it's very, just wanted to bring that up, like when you're 3D printing, like your placement and orientation of your prints is very important. Okay, let me see. Do I have my other players close to me? Are those? I don't know where those are right now. Where are my players? My Snickers? Do not know. I'll put that one on hold right now. I might just have to reprint that one. But good thing about these little pieces, reprints don't take too long. I'd be more upset if like it was a big piece I had to reprint. Little pieces, not so much. Where is that thing at? Hold on a second, let me find it. What did I do with it? I stuck it down here. Right here. It's the Pulverine. set that off to the side now. So I got a little bit lucky, well, not lucky, but fortunate this week. Something in my furnace decided to break on me. I think it's something related to the fan or something like that, because when you turn, because my furnace has an option, you can just turn the fan on and just the air circulating. But when I turn it on, it makes this awful noise. So I'm not exactly sure what the issue is, but luckily the weather's starting to change a little bit. And it's not unbearable out anymore, and it's not too cold. I'm happy it happened before winter. Well, somebody should be out here next week to look at it. Not too worried about it. We called around a few places and we got, got a few quotes before we decided what company we wanted to work with. But luckily, it's not. By the sounds of it, if it's what I think it is and what they think it is, it won't be too expensive. So, whenever something in the furnace breaks, it makes me nervous. Okay, that part's cleaned up now. Oh, that little baby support right here. Okay, what's left? Anything else? Okay, yeah, a few more support removals. But try to keep the workspace somewhat clean. Okay, just have. See, I actually printed this one with this being the bottom side, and look, see how better that is. Oh, I got the topper. Okay, that looks okay. Okay, let's circle back to this real quick. See if I can't get some more of these taken off. Yeah, like I said, this could have all been avoided, all these supports on this little piece, if I would have just printed it in the right orientation. Instead of having all these little tiny supports I gotta remove, which are annoying. Almost got them though. So, well, any guesses on what I'm printing right now on the printer? It's a quick print. Actually plan to do a few of them, just different colors. But any guesses what this one is? Well, I'll give you guys a hint. It is ghost print, but what type of ghost? Do I need those sports move printed? Hold on, I need to try to find my little clippers. Yeah, try to guess what kind of ghost that is. Well, if you guys have no clue what the ghost is, we can wait till the print ends and everybody will find out together. Still removing supports in this one piece. A lot of time I could have saved myself by orienting this print right. So many little supports in this thing. I don't think I've ever seen supports this small before. This is a Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. There we go. I think that's the last of them. There we go. Okay, let me just rotate the camera back over this way a little bit. Okay, let's try putting this together now. Try to make the easiest way to do this. There we go. Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. Yep, correct. Well, it's not spelled like bamboo, it's spelled B-A-M-B-U. I'm pretty sure if you wanted to look at it, I think they'd probably all correct in Google or something. How many of these pumpkin slices do I have? You can purchase one directly through their website. Or if you live in the United States, they do sell them at Micro Centers. Yeah, Bamboo has a, let's see how many printers they have right now. A1, A1 Mini, P1S, P1P, next one Carbon. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 5 different printers, and they span the price range from 200 all the way up to over 1,000. So they do have. But the thing about it is, even like, so this is the cheapest one right here, the A1 Mini, and the print quality on it's amazing. Yep. Just for the printer itself, I think it's going for about 200 right now. That's just the printer. I'm not sure how much the AMS light unit is with it. The AMS, hold on, let me pan up real quick. That is the AMS. Did not pan up far enough. That's the AMS unit right there, and it's pretty much their Bamboo's multi-material system. I have mine top mounted. I printed out this bracket right here for it. If not, it normally sits on this by the side of the printer. But you can also like have a wall mount for it. There's a lot of different options for mounting that. So. Okay, let's see if I can get this camera angle back. Okay. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, last one of those. This machine, this printer's pretty much PLA, PETG, and TPU. I'd only print those materials on this printer personally. That's just me. I know some people, or I've seen some, I don't know people, but I've seen some people get enclosures for them, and they try to print some more of the more advanced materials that are a little more heat sensitive. I wouldn't do that, but it's always an option if you want to try it. I don't recommend it. But yeah, so right now what I'm printing right now is just a clear glitter PLA that's blue and purple. Okay, now let's see how does this thing actually assemble. So this is what I got these little dots for. So this printer has a print bed of what was it again? 180 millimeters cubed. And honestly, everything except for the robot hand right here, it's on the table itself. I've printed on this mini. So robot hand I use my bigger printer for. You know, it'd help if I unmuted my mic. Yeah, we can take a look at a closer look at this. I'm just putting this pin in this. So I'm putting these pins in here to help hold the pieces together, and they're challenging to put in. Very tight tolerances. So hold on. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's just take a close look at these. Here's the pumpkin. You guys go hole in the bottom. Actually, I didn't remove all the supports from the inside on that one either. Here's a little ghost, a little lace ghost. And here is the crystal skull. Now, the crystal skull is a transparent / clear PLA, so it allows light to go through it. And actually, similar to what I'm printing right now, little ghost cat. You know, it sort of prints like this. It's a kitty cat just doing kitty cat things. And pretty much everything I've shown you so far has either been found online, the models, mostly from either Maker World or Printables. Those are my two main places I do get models from. I do go to Thingiverse every now and again too to get models, and also Cultist 3D. Like, those are my big four model repositories I visit and get models from. So you don't have to be able to 3D print. There's a lot of cool free models out there. And especially if you're just getting started. The A1 Mini here is a great little machine. Very user-friendly. Great user experience. It takes a lot of the tinkering out of the equation, like some of the other printers, older ones. A lot of auto calibrations, but at the same time, you know, you still, do your research on printers, because the same thing that happened to other printers can happen on the A1 Mini. So it's a machine. It doesn't do self-repair. These little, these things are starting to get really annoying. You know what? I got one in. I'm just gonna be able to. Am I gonna be able to do it like I want here? I think the problem is maybe the tolerances are slightly different, because these orange pieces I print with a 0.6, and the red pieces, these little pieces right here, I point on a 0.4 nozzle, so I'm thinking I have some tolerance differences, which I should have thought of beforehand. There we go. You know what? One did the job, so good there. Okay, next up, we can start assembling this a little bit more. Am I in frame? Move this over slightly. Okay, that's better. Oh, well, move on to the next one. Just fix this part real quick. So these just snap together real quick like that. So the snap right there and allows a little bit of free movement. That did not show. Yeah, okay. Sort of showed up in camera. And the last one looks. There we go. There we go. Okay, so what do I got left here? I got snaps here. Oh, the head. Got my eyes here I need to take out. I might have dropped one of these little pieces. Uh-oh. Hold on. Oh, right here. So, are these good? Nope, these are gonna need a little bit of glue. Shouldn't need much though. I hate super glue. Really need to get some glue. And my eyes dropped. Oh. Struggle bus. Okay, where'd that dropped eye go to? Don't be super glued to the floor. Okay, well, let me try to get these little eyes in. I'm going to reprint the eyes. Little parts. I got one eye in. Sort of. Let's see. Where could these pieces be? weird looking eyes right now. It is what it is. I don't drop this eye again. You know what? We're gonna have one eye spider. And then, oh, I need how does this go on here? Just a little bit of glue, I think. Yeah, let's try my luck with super glue again. I'm not excited. Sometimes printing parts is good, other times annoying. Okay. Just let that sit for a few minutes, and we can see what just got done printing while that glue sets up. So we'll get this on printing. Can anyone? Can anyone tell me, by chance, if you can see? Let me tilt that down. So, can anyone tell me what type of ghost this is from that angle? A little stringy. Any guesses on this type of ghost? Well, I will take it off the build plate now. Name the ghost. It's Bunchy. So, common 3D printing benchmark is Benchy, and this is Bunchy. So here's a normal Benchy, just for comparison. Actually, can that fit in there? No. So, I've actually printed a few different Benchies. Dangling like Benchy. But this is Bunchy, the ghost Benchy. Okay, let's see if that super glue's dried up enough yet. Oh yeah, that's good. Now I need to get one of these pins in here. Just one. let me. Oh, super glue wasn't dry enough. Should be really tacky though. Not too worried. Just need to avoid hitting that top. In my head, this is working out a lot better. These pins are one issue I'm having with this print. Always something. You think everything's to go smooth on the live? Nope. Always something that makes it go a little bit not as planned. So how's everybody doing today? I just need to avoid prints of small parts and I think I'll be fine. Maybe test this stuff out before stream. I'm just excited to get on stream, everybody. I've dropped like all these little pins. Where'd you go? Well, going back to Plan G, super glue. I'm gonna try this other super glues. Honestly, I haven't liked the gel Gorilla Glue that much. dry for a second. While that's drying, we'll take the little purge line here off. Yeah, this is what I printed when I was on stream today. It's I really like it. It's really light too. See, it's hollow on the inside. No supports needed. One print, and here we go. I wonder if these lights. Oh, lights are a little. If I scaled that benchy up a little bit, that would look really cool with the lights, I think. Yeah, I think I need to scale it up like 5-10% this clear PLA. Hey there, Sky. How would this look in green? That's drying. Ooh, that's a nice ghostly green. Not sure how well that shows up on camera, but I think that looks really nice. I said hi there. I said hi, Sky. Is my mic testing? My mic not working? Is my mic not working? Testing. Okay, I just wanted to make sure the mic was working. So, yeah, this doesn't really show up too well on the, yeah, that doesn't show up too well on the webcam here, but I'm gonna have to scale this. This is gonna have to get scaled up. That is gonna be cool looking scaled up. Okay, I think that's enough drying time here. Hey again. Okay, the last piece I need to attach, and we'll be done with this. If I can get it on. Go figure. Oh, no wonder it won't attach. Sometime, I don't know how it broke. I don't even know where the piece is at. Like, where did it even go? Is it? No. It was just... That's... Huh. Well, I can show you what it's supposed to look like. So, all these are supposed to line up like this. Line them all up. How you doing? Yeah, I think this is my own hubris causing this issue. Because I thought... okay. It happens. Just some sizing issues and tolerance issues I'm running into right now. Maybe I have you. No, I'm not upset. No. Always learning new stuff in 3D printing. That is for sure. Try and get this to close up right, but I think I know what I did wrong here. I might have printed something slightly off, but then this will go on top like this. So it's like a pumpkin. Then all the leaves can come out. I'm gonna have to reprint some parts for this one for sure. And then, if this was working correctly, I didn't break off a piece, it'd be connected like that, and you'd have like a spider. So, I think it's a pretty cool print. Did not fail because of the print. The failures today were completely human user error. So, yeah, there's some things I can do to fix that later, though. Oh, I got two, actually. We have the A1 Mini right here. Then right next to the A1 Mini, we got the P1S. Bamboo, both are bamboo lip. So. No, Mark. Hold on, Mark. I think I know how. Just a second. I can. I know how to fix this issue if you're not having showing links, Mark. I can help you out. Mark, try to link something now. Let's see if this works. So I'm not even. So how I'm viewing this is I have y'all on my phone, and I'm streaming through my computer because it's completely behind me, so I really can't like read chat that often. Like that's why I glance out on the phone. So can you? Huh? If you tried linking something, Mark, I can't see it. Huh? That didn't work then. Thought that might have worked. Let me try something else. Ha! It worked. You see what I did there, Mark? As much as you link stuff in chat. Yeah, that showed up now. I don't know if you did anything different or what I did worked. One of the two. Gave you that good old blue wrench there, Mark. Oh. I think that's probably why you couldn't post links in the past. So, general plan I have here. I'm gonna scale this up large enough. Put one of these lights in there. Ignited. This is a really cool spooky effect. I just bright lights. At least it looks like the webcam I'm using just really oversaturated the light, but in person it looks really cool. Yeah, you gotta take my word on it. Heck, I'm looking at that pumpkin on camera right now. It looks like it's radioactive almost. Actually, let's switch it to green. Does that look radioactive on camera now? No, that red makes it look, that red on camera of that pumpkin. Woo! I can't believe how much that glows on cam. That's hilarious. Oh, actually, hold on. Where's my remote for these? I'm curious how these different colors show up now. Hold on. Okay. That's red. Well, how about green? Purple? Orange. Ooh, orange. That's glowing too. Light green. Blue. Sort of like that one on camera. Light orange. Yeah. Cyan. Not bad. Purple. Yellow. Ooh. That one that's a beacon right there. I'm gonna stick with green for now. Sorry, got distracted there with the lights and how the pumpkin showed up on camera. So, but yeah, this is all I really had planned today. The print was going while I was going. I have an idea of how I want to fix this. Definitely gonna have to reprint these again, but it's okay. Yeah, the way I look at things, you learn through failure. Failure, like, yeah, sure. Failing at something's never fun, but it's what you get out of the failure I think is important. In this case, I learned a few things. One, small pins and small things I am terrible at. And yeah, but these are tiny prints. It won't take too long to print this stuff again. I'm not too worried. So I might be taking a break here for a little bit. I might go live later tonight. Any kind of Halloween themed prints anyone would be interested in watching on the printer tonight? I got a bunch. If you tell me some kind of little print I can do really like an hour or two on the mini, I got a bunch of prints saved right now. So yeah, you're right, Mark. It's all about the process. I mean, nobody's gonna be an expert overnight. It's all about hard work and the time and effort you put into it. I mean, some people have more skills or something, but they still have to put time and effort into mastering what they're doing. Just don't give up when you're working on something, and eventually you'll get better at it. I still can't get over how cool this ghost bench is. Like, especially in this clear PLA, it's like see-through. Oh, yeah. How's it? Okay, but yeah, I just want to do a little short stream this morning. Not this morning, it's afternoon now. But, yeah, I'll be back. I think I might stream later tonight, in the evening stream. If anybody, has anything they want me to print after I end the stream, this stream will be posted on the YouTube channel. You can just post in the comments, anything you want, like Halloween themed you might want me to print tonight. So, okay, nice talking to everybody today. Sorry this didn't go as planned, but it happens. Not too upset about it. I'd rather you guys, everybody, see my failures on stream than me not showing you at all. Just shows you the real process. And I know sometimes you'll see videos out there and like you don't realize how many reshoots, or you know how much work it goes into getting something right. Sometimes it's, you know, the magic of video editing can hide a lot of that stuff. But you know, I'm happy that, you know, I can show you guys that, hey, stuff happens. It's okay. You know, mistakes happen, and I'll move on. I'll reprint it, and I'll get it working again. But ooh, I could. I need to find a good Frankenstein I can fit in the mini. I have one or two saved. Oof. You know, if I did a Frankenstein, that might be one I want to print or paint later too. I need to pick up some colors. I'm terrible at painting, so that'd be fun to see how bad excuse me. That'd be fun to see how bad I'm actually painting. Well, I do have bamboo printers, and they have their multi-material systems. For multi-material print, I think for watching it on stream when I'm talking and we're watching the print, I just think a multicolor print, larger ones, are just take up too much time on stream. Yep, you don't. It's learning. I mean, it's okay to be frustrated for a little bit, but, you know, just don't let it linger. It happens. I'm good at laughing that kind of stuff off. But as long as you don't keep on making the same mistakes when you fail, you realize what happened. You're like, oh, if I do it like this again, if I change this in the future, the outcome will be different. So, but yeah, I will see what kind of Frankenstein models I can find tonight. I think I might paint that later though. Maybe do a stream of getting printed. Maybe another stream later on of me actually attempting to paint Frankenstein. I need to find some good colors. I really wish I had a compressor and airbrushes. That'd be really nice for that. I used to have one because over 10 years ago now, I used to have an air compressor, and I used to paint my own fishing lures, actually. I would buy plastic blanks online, and I would airbrush fishing lures. So I know how to airbrush a little bit. Like, I'm not great at it, but I can airbrush a little bit. I just don't have a compressor or airbrush anymore. I had to get rid of it when I moved, like 10 years ago. So, So if I did paint anything, I'd just be hand painting it with brushes and everything. So, but that being said, I will end the stream here, and maybe I'll do Frankenstein tonight. When I check in later, if I go live, I'll gauge how chat is, and right now, Frankenstein might be the winner. Talk to everybody later. Bye bye.